What's up, y'all? It's Jaylanice here, and I'm back with another video. And today we have another trunk club review. So this will be my second time, and if you haven't already, please go like and subscribe this video, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when I post another video. So please excuse my nails, y'all. It's been a rough week. I done broke my nail, and so now I'm looking like one-eyed Willie over here. It's gonna get fixed. It's gonna get fixed. So please do not let my one nail distract you from the amazing pieces that I will be showing you today that I got in my trunk. So, are you interested? I hope so. Stay tuned. So, I got this big box. See, I haven't opened it yet, unlike the first time, so I want to be a little bit surprised. So this will be my first time opening it and unboxing, so let's go ahead and get started. First time, but this month I asked my stylist if she could send me some pieces dedicated for me to go to weddings. So I have 2 weddings to go to at the end of September. I got my handy dandy scissors, and let's cut this baby open. So I'm so excited. This is just like, I love wedding season. So the first wedding I'm going to is September 22nd, 20th, and it's my great aunt's wedding in Rochester, New York. So I'll be going there. And then the second wedding I'll be attending is September 29th, and it is of a dear coworker of mine. So if you haven't already, go watch my bachelorette party weekend video, because the bachelorette, that's whose wedding I'm going to. So if you haven't already, go ahead and look at all my videos. Go like and comment and tell me what you think. And so, of course, you already know the big packaging. There's words on it. And so, let's see what it says. Oh, it's not the heavy box. So it says there's something for you in every trunk. Pretty sure this is what the last one said. So. Oh my goodness. Okay. So let's see what we got. So we have a pair of these Madden shoes, and see how everything is packaged so nicely. Everything is packaged. So let's untie. So let's open this baby up. It was perfect on. It was perfect on. It was very flattering, very slimming. I really, really, really liked this one. So like I said, this was Vince Camuto in a size 14, and it fit perfectly. I didn't have any problems with it. I probably would still wear like a, Spanx under it just to hold my stomach in. All the stuff that us girls go through, all us girls, we do to make sure that everything is perfect. Okay, I love the pattern, and with the shoes it was very, very, very cute. So let me show you those shoes up close for Steve Madden, of course. Look at these with the small block heel. Was perfect for me, because even though I'm like 5'3", 5'4", a small block heel still gives you a little confidence, like a 5-inch heel. Because if you don't feel like wearing 5-inch heels, put these bad boys on and then still elongate your legs, especially for my short cuties. Hey y'all, these are good for y'all. I love it. I love it. I can switch it up from short to, hey, to these little bad babies right here. I love a good block heel. These, and then especially a good stiletto. Don't get me started. Okay, that's another video. I'm sorry. And then it was perfect with that dress because it brought the pink out. And if y'all don't know, fun fact about your girl Jaylanice, pink is my favorite color. Pink is my favorite color. I love pink. And so you'll realize that about me. Like, I will throw a little pink in my wardrobe. We have this wrap jumpsuit. So I loved the color. This color and my skin tone, oh, I loved it. It was so cute. And I love that it had a little wrap around it so it could cinch your waist. Now, if you, as you can see, that it was a bit big on me. I like things a bit fitted, but this, I love this. This was cute. I think this is definitely an option. Now, is it wedding material? I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Do y'all think this jumpsuit is wedding material? Would you wear this to a wedding? And especially with these shoes, would you wear this outfit to a wedding? Is it wedding material? Let me know in the comments. Let me know. So next we have this green number here with the bow. Oh, I love this. I love this dress. Now the only thing I would say about this dress, it is tight. It is tight on my arms. And honestly, I kind of felt like a flight attendant in it. I don't know why. It just gave me flight attendant vibes. But the best part about the dress is the bottom. I love the bottom. Make you look like kind of sassy, kind of spicy, bring some little spice to your life. I love this. I wish I can get this in a bigger size, because if I can get this in a bigger size, I would definitely keep this dress. The whole trunk, I want to keep the whole trunk. The whole trunk is, shout out to you, Grace. Grace, you did a phenomenal job. I love this trunk. I like everything in it. I want to keep it all. So, is it a must in my closet? I think I can use a little green in my closet. I think this is a nice dress. I do. If I can get it in a bigger size. I think so. I think this is really cute. So the next piece that we have is this pink number. I really, like I told y'all before, I love pink. But I really wanted to like this dress. I really did. Especially with the ruffles on the bottom. It's just like a really cute dress. As you can tell, it was really tight. You can see my midsection. Side note, I'm on a diet, so that midsection y'all won't see for a minute. So just give me some time. But as of right now, in my transition, I really wanted to love this dress. It was so cute. It's so cute. It has the little effect of like a high-low. But I guess you couldn't see that while I had it on. But it was just so tight. It was really tight. It was so tight. So this would probably be something that I will return. Just because it was just too little. Betty High-Low Ruffle Hem Cocktail Dress in an extra large by Dress the Population in Powder Blush, and it is $198. Oh yeah, this definitely going back. One thing y'all will learn about Jaylenise, let me go ahead and say, I don't mind spending the money. I don't mind spending the money at all. But $198? $2 away from $200 for this dress. Now this dress is cute. This dress is cute, no lie. But $200 for this dress. This will be going back in the box. This will definitely be going back in the box. This is a no ma'am, thank you, Tam. See you later, Sam. Bye. Oh, I have one more dress. Now this dress, oh, I love this dress, y'all. Let me get it. This dress, I think I want to keep it. It was something different. It was very cute. And then Grace, so that's what I was talking about Trunk Club. They send you suggestions, outfit suggestions. So they put pieces together and they say, hey, I think this will look cute, so why don't you try this on? So you see me trying this dress on with the jacket, the shoes, and the purse. But this dress, y'all, oh my goodness, I loved this dress. Granted, at the end of September, that ends, you know, summer. But I think this is a great transition dress. I think this is a good summer going into fall dress, because good summer going into fall dress, transition dress, because you have this moto jacket. Oh my goodness, look at this. And I was really scared to try this jacket on because I have, you know, tend to have bigger, wider arms, and I was just so scared that it wasn't going to fit. Y'all, fooled me, because look, I love this. It gives you a little space. Look at that. See, you got leather on this side, and then you have the stretchy material on this side. Perfect, genius. It fit perfectly. And not only am I going to wear this jacket with this dress, but I can keep this jacket and put it with some jeans and put it with my sleeves down and heels, and girl, y'all can't tell me I'm gonna be a bad chick, okay? Let me stop playing. Let me stop. I really think I might keep this. Tell me what y'all think. And also tell me what y'all think about this dress. I need to know what y'all think about this dress. Should this be one of the options that I wear to one of the weddings? Please let me know. Tell me all of what you think. Which outfit should I wear to the wedding? I have 2 weddings to go to now. So which 2 outfits do y'all think I should keep? Let me know in the comments. Please, I need your help. Y'all like how it looks on me? Just imagine me with a beat face, some jewelry, of course my nails done, hair done. Can y'all see me in this dress in a wedding? Well, I'm not in the wedding, but attending a wedding. I need your help. Please let me know. I really like this dress. Give me a thumbs up if you like this dress. Like this video if you like this dress, because I love that dress. So, and of course, we had the shoes. I showed you the shoes. She only gave me 2 pairs of shoes. And then she sent me this bag here. So, this little clutch, this bag, is of course by, I don't know about y'all, do y'all remember the brand Nina? The shoes, used to get them all the time for prom and like the little formals we had in high school and middle school. Maybe I'm telling my age a little bit. I'm not that old. Y'all, please. Please. So originally Grace did send me another clutch, and it wasn't silver, it was something else. I think it was like one of those bigger square envelope clutches. But that clutch was $200. And I said, Grace, please. I love it, but please send me a cheaper version. And so I guess this is what she said. And this will get the job done. It's a clutch. It's very dressy. It's something you can wear to a wedding. I'm not mad at it. Keep or send it back. Y'all let me know. So she did send me some other items, some jewelry. So let me get those out. I didn't put any of the jewelry on because, like I said, I'm not really a big jewelry person, but I want to get into jewelry. So I'm going to try it. I'm just going to try it later. And I'm back. Tyra Banks. Please, y'all. I haven't had anything to eat. So, the first thing that we have is this necklace. And I really like this necklace, so I'll probably keep it more than likely. I just don't wear jewelry. Like you see, I have my Pandora bracelets and my Alex and Ani bracelet. But other pieces, I just have to get into. I'm not going to say I'm against it. I just have to get into it. And I will get into it. So this necklace is called a snake chain. And I think this is something I will keep because it's cute. It's really cute. See, look, that ugly finger. I think this is really cute. I think this is something I will keep because I don't have any jewelry and I need to. And I think this is something that is really cute. It gives you some bow. Yeah. So I probably, if I keep the jumpsuit, this is probably something I wear with the jumpsuit. Or I could put it on with my fave dress, the last dress I just showed you. I probably put it on with that. But y'all let me know. Is this a yay? Yay or nay? Keep it or send it back. So then the next thing she sent me, which I didn't understand why she sent me this, because there's nothing in my trunk that didn't require, there's nothing in my trunk that required me not to wear a bra. So I'm not sure why she sent me these. So these will probably go back because I don't need them. And these are breast petals. I didn't see a need for these, so I'm not going to keep them just because there's nothing in my trunk that requires these. I don't need them. And then the next thing we have are these beauties. These are some earrings that are just so, oh, and they're heavy. Y'all look at these. Oh wow, these are so pretty. And they're heavy, y'all. I like these. I really like these. So I think I want to keep these. Y'all let me know. Should I keep these? Do y'all see me wearing these with one of the outfits? What do y'all think? What y'all think? Let me know, please. So y'all let me know. Which shoes should I keep? Which outfit I should keep? And if y'all follow me on Instagram at j_Lanice. You can follow me on Instagram, on Twitter at j_Lanice. And I would be, when the time comes for the weddings, I will share my outfit of the day, where I got everything from. Y'all make sure y'all follow me for all the newest updates in my life. That's where I post, you guys. That is the end of my Trunk Club review for my September weddings. So you guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. I will be coming out with more and more content. If you like more content like this, I'm thinking about getting another subscription and doing another review. If you like my makeup, honey, I did it myself. Yay. So if you have any questions on my makeup, let me comment below. I don't mind sharing all my tips and tricks and hacks and everything. Anything you want to know, I will tell you. I'm an open book. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.